The herd is moving east towards the clearing.
Noted. The calves look healthy this morning.
Clear the zone, lift commencing. Harness secure on target 1.
Hold altitude at 20 feet. Wind shear increasing on approach. Harness team, prepare for touchdown.
Coat condition is excellent. Data confirms final clearance, Supervisor.
Very good. Prepare for transport. Watch the head. Get the gate ready. Closing the latch now. Signal the pilot to clear. Applying the gel now. Okay, I'm getting a clear image of the spleen.
Let's look at the blood panel results now. White count is slightly elevated, but the differential looks good. Agreed. The cytokine levels are stable.
Lower left quadrant, severe abrasion on the 3rd molar. Record that as a 4.
Severe abrasion, grade 4. Copy that.
We have clear visualization on the monitor now. Record the measurements at 40 mm. Recording now. The bull is stable. Vitals are strong, and the EMR is fully updated. We are clear for approval.
Confirmed, Doctor. The measurements on the distal end are perfect.
Confirmed. We can move this batch to packing.
The structural integrity scan on the Grey Brahman material is complete. Rerouting the 3D model to the fabrication sector. Ensure tolerances match the specifications. The sandstone texture minimizes cost, but the stress points on the wood grain are stronger.
I agree. The marble finish gives us the best balance for production.
Look at the consistency of the vine pattern.
It's flawless. The new alignment paid off.
khon tin pen phing sang thom นะครับลีคำเดียข้อมทำข้องทางถองวายทอมนิสังราบพิ้งของสับดูทับพอมคือวันชาย
This pallet is ready for the truck. Bring it in. We have room for 2 more layers.
The projections for the Grey Brahman fans are spiking in Sector Gamma. Reroute the next shipment immediately to accommodate the demand.
The detail on the bone is exquisite.
Truly remarkable craftsmanship. Look at how the light catches the polish.